Are you getting Roku error 92? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Poor internet connection or slow internet speed is one of the reasons why you are getting error code 92 on Roku, mostly while watching the Disney Plus channel. Make sure you are connected to a stable internet. See if other devices like phones, laptops can connect to your Wi-Fi. This helps to confirm if the problem lies with the Roku or your overall network. You can check the internet speed on your PC or phone by visiting speedtest.net. If the internet speed is slow, you can contact your service provider to fix the issue. Method 2. Check the channel server. Temporary service interruptions or server issues with Disney Plus. So, check the channel server status page for any outage from your smartphone or PC. If there is any service related issues, then wait for some time till the server is up and live again. Method 3. Perform a power cycle. The next thing you can do is perform a power cycle. Turn off your device, wait a few minutes, and then turn it back on. Open the channel and see if the problem is fixed. If not, reconnect the network. Method 4. Reconnect the network. From the Roku home screen, navigate to Settings. Then select Network. Then select Setup Connection. Next, select Wireless. Wait till the scan completes. Now choose your network and type the password. Make sure to enter the correct password. Once done, select Connect. Method 5. Update the app. Outdated Disney Plus app version on your device can be the reason why you are getting Disney Plus error code 92. So, check if any update has been released. To update an app or channel on your Roku device, press the home button on your Roku remote. Then, press the right directional button. Next, highlight the channel. Then, press the star button on your remote. Next, select Check for updates. Then, wait for the app to update. Finally, press OK. Method 6. Clear cache and data. From the home screen, press the home button on the remote 5 times, then press the up arrow button. Now, press the rewind button twice, and then press the fast forward button 2 times. Wait for Roku to restart. Temporary data called cache and cookies can get corrupted and take more space over time, so they cause unexpected issues. This process should clear the cache on Roku TV, and by doing that, you make sure you can prevent additional problems. Method 7. Reinstall the channel. If the channel or app provider confirms there are no known issues, try removing and reinstalling the channel or app on your Roku device. This can help resolve any corrupted installation files. To reinstall a channel, follow these steps. Perform a system restart on your Roku device before reinstalling the channel. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the channel. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now, go to the Roku home screen. Select Streaming Channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel. Select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation. Click OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall the channel. To do that, open Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Once the device restarts, reinstall the channel as shown and try to watch it, and you shouldn't get the error. Method 8. Contact the channel support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, then you can contact the specific channel's support team for further assistance. For Disney Plus, you can visit this site and follow instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it, the ways to fix the Roku error 92. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.